let's plan week 7 and 8 together in my planner. These are 2 weeks we're going to be on vacation. I think the best thing to do for these 2 weeks, being that I have no idea what is actually going to happen on a day-to-day basis, we know where we're going, we know what we're kind of doing, but I don't have any sort of set agenda yet for those days. So I thought what I would do is, since I'm going to leave this planner at home, I thought I would go in, do the structure of the stickers for those 2 weeks, and then I would add some washi tapes and let it sit until we get back. And then I can fill it in, show you what we did, what stickers I used. I do have this Happy Planner travel, what does it say? See the World sticker book. It's got some really fun things in here, like journal entry stickers and passport and flights and all kinds of things. So this is a kind of a fun one to add later on when I get back. And most of them are the right size to fit in the columns of the Kristy. So instead of putting one of them each day in here, because I'm not really sure, I think I'll travel with a small notebook. I'll bring some pens, I'll have a pouch with any sort of extras I want to save. And then when I get back here, I'll kind of treat this as my travel journal log and transcribe it into here. So what I want to do is I'm going to turn this around. I'm just going to set up the structure for week 7 and 8 with my Planner Kate stickers, and then we can check out what we did when we return. Because I don't really know, right? I don't know. So I think that's sort of the best way to do it. And then I'm not traveling with this planner and gosh forbid I lost it or spilled water on it, or, you never know, right? Because I want to keep this here and this is my whole year planner. So I think that's the best way to do. I was thinking about bringing my other planner, but it's heavy, it's cumbersome, and I think I can just do just a daily log in a little notebook, and that'll suffice for when I'm traveling. So let's turn this around. Let's plan week 7 and 8 together, and then it'll be really fun to see where it ends up after the fact. I have put at the top right here, week 7, week 8. So I have them already marked. So I know what colors I want to use, because that just makes it so much easier for what I'm doing. So let's get into week 7, which is going to be greens. And I'll speed this up because it's going to be 2 weeks. I don't want it to take forever. And you can check it out at the end and we can chat about it. I'm sure you're curious where we're going, and this is going to give you a big hint. We are going to Egypt. So this is really fun washi tape I thought I would put in here for the trip. I found this on Etsy and it's really fun. So I thought I would just lay this in here like this. I'll go all the way through, I think. Just cut it off. This is a bucket list trip for my husband and me, and it's going to be really fun to see the pyramids and maybe even ride a camel. So now you know why I wanted to combine weeks 7 and 8 together. I have not been on a 2-week vacation in, I don't think forever, since our honeymoon. So this is so exciting, such a bucket list trip. And to be able to find this really cute washi tape was so exciting. So I also, which I don't think I showed you, I added it to my February monthly calendar. How cute is that? Here, let me show it to you. It's so much fun. I mean, how many times are you gonna be able to use this? Never. So this is a once in a lifetime use of this washi. So I'm gonna put it everywhere, especially in here. So I'm really, really excited for this trip. And that's why I had to plan these videos, film them in advance, because I've got a lot of things to get done. Packing, organizing, all the things. So this is really, really exciting. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when the next video goes up, which I believe will be the March calendar setup, because I did get those stickers in. I'm also going to film that in advance, so that's there. And then the following week will be the March 9th setup. So you want to be around for all those things, and also to see a look back at the actual trip information, because I think that's going to be really fun. I mean, camel riding, we've got pyramids, all kinds of really fun things. So I can't wait to share those with you. And I will be doing a trip vlog of that trip as well. So much coming down the pike, so many fun things. So thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.